Someone is up from her nap. Hmm? How's your nap lang? Hey, how's your nap? Good? Good? Yes! Cuddle.
It's real.
Oh, I know. I love you, honey girl. Tabi, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Mama.
Mommy.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Ate.
Mama.
Tita. Let's go get something to eat now. Make lunch? We'll make lunch? Lunch? Ice? Dramatic kay ka nga bata ka. Lingaw ka sa inday sang naong ay. Oh, Diyos. Dihang og ngipon. Lah. Let's go. What's that? Yes. Yan. Manonood mo na to siya. Habang gagawa si mami ng lunch. Okay? My happy girl. Are you my happy girl? Yeah? Do you like it? You stay here, okay? Just relax and watch, and Mama will make lunch. Mommy! We'll make something to eat. No, we need to buy more butter. Nako. Butter. Yes, no? Mommy! Tingnan niyo, parang-parang na talaga magtawag sa mami na. Mommy! La! La, did you... Dungdung na? Ano? You smell like dungdung here. That's apple. What is it you want? No. Not the tomato nut because it's tiny. Yeah, it can choke. Yeah. It can choke. Yeah. So we've got this bread and got this chicken breast. Yeah. And then we got cheese. Look. Mom. Yummy! Yummy! And also, I cut some fruit for Paris. Yung fruit na kasama kanina, sabi nila namin ba? Paris? Ang nami-nami, Celine. But first, I think I have to change this bum-bum, Chris. Smelly bum-bum before you eat. Yeah. Nami. Yeah. Okay. Okay, not the knife. Yummy! Oh, pinick up na pala yung bags, guys. So, dalawa yung binili niya. Para daw sa kanyang daughter daw yung isa.
A few moments later.
Hi. Where are we going? We're going to pick up Ate Paris now, guys. We decided that we will walk. Alis na kami kasi. Anong oras na? Minsan kasi, guys, it's quicker kapag naglakad lang kami. Kasi pag ganitong oras na, tapos nagsasakyan kami, good luck sa parking. Diba, anak? Diba, anak? Yummy? Can Mama have some bit? Sharing? Share to Mama?
No.
Hello. Thank you. That's very yummy. Do you like it? Yeah? Good girl. What is it like? Ooh, I think she's eating her lunch. She's very excited to show me her lunchbox. Oh my Lord! Jesus!
I share this one.
Oh my goodness! Well done. I can't wait to show it to Daddy. Look! Have a look, Daddy! Good job! And you got well done too. This is from the fun one this morning. Wow! Beautiful! Lakad for more. What's wrong? What? What's wrong?
The orange thing.
No, that's the plant. That's a dead plant. You thought it's a dead animal? Silly girl. Yeah, yung nanay ni Georgina, guys, binigyan niya si Paris ng, si Paris, baby Celine ng book. You love it, La? Yeah, she's very nice. Siya din yung magbili ng, ng shoes na atipa ni baby Celine, oh. No, my love, it's see. It's plant. Tas lakaan niya, bata. So, we will, now shall we go to Woolies lang? Ate? Shall we go direct to Woolies now? Yeah, we should go. I'll grab something for, I think magsasabaw kami tonight, yung pork buns. We'll get the pangsahog.
And guys, guess what?
You know what it says? What does it say? It's well?
You did well.
Well done.
Huh?
Well done.
Does it say you did well?
Very loud ang...
Does it say you did?
what?
Does it say you did a great job? It says.
Yeah, that's right. That's what it says. What would you like to do, sweetie?
My, there's a person.
What would you like to do?
There's a person there.
That was before. Oh, is there another one there?
No.
No, that was before. What would you like to do, anak? Huh? Here, face here. Hey, face here. Say, can we? Before?
Before we go to Woolies,
Yeah, sure.
back in now.
Diretso na sana ako sa Woolies, guys, kasi dyan lang. Oh, straight lang ba? Ate Paris wants to rest.
Why were we doing piano while we're resting?
Now, when we rest, when you say rest, we should rest. We shouldn't do anything else.
No.
May ibang ano pala to sa
I
isip
want
niya.
to do my piano.
No, we'll do the piñata later at night after dinner.
Then I want to have a try now.
Anna! What is this?
Wow.
Roar! Dinosaur! It's dinosaur! Get your shirt. Nak, get shirt for Celine, Nakbe.
Which one?
Anything. Just shirt. She doesn't have shirt. Just walking around naked. So, magluluto tayo guys ng sinigang. Alam nyo ba? So, ito yung binili ko na pork bones from Inala Market. And, hindi talaga sila nag-joke kapag sinabi nilang pork bones. Talagang bones siya. Wala talaga siyang laman. Ba, masarap yung sabaw nito. Meron naman siyang laman. Oh, grabe guys. Kunting-kunti. Parang pang-aso na ba? Ate! In the drawer. Go. Help Ate go. Go get you a shirt. Help Ate Paris. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. I-fry ko muna yung hindi fry. What's the word, oy? Kasi hindi ko to siya nilulunod yung, burns, yung karne, pag hindi ko pa siya sa pan ba? Pan fried, ganun. Para mag-brown-brown lang siya. Tsaka ko siya isasabaw. Open. See? Open. Meat. Meat. Gabi, meat. See? Hot. Can you say hot? Hot. Yes, anak. Ooh. Nini, umanlat ate.
No.
No, kakaroon. Lulu. Si Ate Paris is putting Lini's clothes.
No.
Ayaw niya. See? Cooperate na. Si Ate Paris is helping you. Tignan natin, me. Nawa na, nabali.
Georgina's name Puppy.
Okay.
There's no one.
Are you gonna name her Regina?
Georgina's baby. Georgina's doll.
Regina's doll.
Yeah. I'm gonna name this one.
You can do that.
Today, I got my dog. Today, I got a dog.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Huh?
his name's Bowie.
Bowie, yeah, Bowie. 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 Ow. Celine, what's wrong? Anak, what's wrong with Celine na? Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Bones, buto talaga. Pero masarap ang sabaw nito. For sure. Hi, ate. Sharing please. Sharing please. Paris. Inopen itong dalawa yung isa sa mga regalo ni Ate Paris. Barbie. Are you helping, Lynn? Lini? Where's the Barbie? Where's Barbie? Yeah. See?
Oh,
Lin.
hi. Mama,
Mm.
do you like put the stuff here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you like take these out?
No, don't take that off because I think that's the. See, it shows. It seems like you're selling cupcake. Mm. There. What's this one? Lollipop? See here. Yeah, that's right. Wow.
Now just make me. What's this for?
I think this is right there.
Put this here. My pretend this is already finished.
Ling Ling!
Someone came.
What have you got, babe? Show mama. What's that?
Where should we put this? Why don't we put mine?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't I put the drinks here? Isn't it?
What's this one? Yeah,
Wait, that one doesn't go there.
I think so.
Putting this in the shelf.
No, it fits there lang.
Mine?
Can I buy lollipop, Ling Ling?
Mine, I'm still setting it.
Oh, sorry, my love. Have a look, Nak. It's so cute, oh. Good. Wait. Put my cup by my cover.
But I'll just leave it here. And I
What did you
this
do? Did you put
rug.
the gloves on? Show me. Oh, well done. You've done well there. Wait, I'll do the other side.
Can I do the stickers?
Hang on, you have to wait until it dry up.
Can I do the next one?
Mm-hmm.
I'll do the next. I said I will do that one.
Hang on, now I'll do the. You have to wait until it dries up.
You're better.
Yeah. You want one bit? Wow! Good girl. Another one? This one?
Mama, can I touch? Still?
Wait until it dries up lang. Okay. Wait for a little bit.
I'm going to get fan.
The what?
Fan.
Stop, stop. Yeah? Show me.
Just in case I do something bad.
Purple. Purple. Come on. Henny, this daddy. Come on. Yes. Yes, daddy. Come on. No, 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 no.
Why was it crying before?
Because I just wanted to see my baby. I seen you running today.
Yay, come.
Did you do well?
Come on. Is that your daddy? Is daddy home? Is daddy home? Shush. Look, 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 look. Daddy. She wants to come in.
Can I show them my lunchbox?
Of course you can. Your bag is just there.
Wow.
There.
I seen someone running today. How's your run? How did Paris run, Mummy? How did she do? How did she do?
Yeah, good. Very well. Show? No, you smell so good. Nakapag-shower na guys. So, ayan, after dinner. Shower na. Sinusukod naman ng baby. She's sleeping na ba? What are you doing? You still again? Ang ating Paris ay nag-shower. Tapos nilalagyan na ni Daddy Mike ngayon ng cream. Gusto pa niyang kasi may pinyata siya nung birthday niya guys, pero hindi namin inano ba. So ngayon, gusto niyang i-open. Sabi namin sa kanya, every night, may chance siya na i-open yung kanyang pinyata. Yung inaanuhan niya ba? Ang tawag dito kanang gabunalan ba? Sabi niya gagawin niya, nakatulog man nilalagyan ni Daddy ng cream, nakatulog. Kaya pinag-shower ko man din after ng dinner. Oh my lordness. Nabasa rin ako guys, kami dalawa ni Baby Celine shower pero hindi ko inano ang aking buhok.
Celine, can you say?
Baby, Habu. Yeah? You're not sleeping yet lang? Daw. Okay.
Why is my
Good girl. Wala.
good job, baby?
Pinagpapawisan look. Huh? Oh, look at her.
It was protective. You do see something like similar a bit.
Let's just take the emotions. I think there's been a bit of a miscommunication here.
Onto you.
Melinda, the difference between you and me is when you make it hard, I actually do take it hard. I do. I genuinely do.